we are going to learn about type tool. There are 7 different type tool. So first one is very simple, click and type, and then what you can do is you can just simply decrease and increase your size. Okay, whenever you are increasing and decreasing the size, you need to hold the shift so that you can maintain the ratio within height ratio. If you want to write a paragraph, then what you can do is I simply select a type tool and then drag it, click and drag, and then you can create a simple paragraph. When you type, obviously character panel is here, or if you want to bring a separate character panel, then from Windows and there is a type. Okay, and then you can get the character panel. So here you can change lots of font. Okay, what kind of font that you like. Okay, you can change, see, font height, font size. Okay, and this is a line height. Okay, now there is only one line, that's why it won't affect anything. So if I increase or decrease, it doesn't care. But at the same time, if I let's say int, and if I write here second word, and now if I try to play with this, then it will act. Okay, this is space between the two character. Optimal and metric is there, so optimal would be fine. So it will try to arrange the gap between the two the two character. And at the same time, this is also a kind of space, but it is like this kerning is trying to make equal from all this a little bit a different space also. Okay, so now this is a kind of like exactly the space between the two characters. Okay, both the kerning and line space tracking is both the same. And this is like a character height. Okay, so if you want to be increase your character height, you can. And this is character like whole character space, you can increase. Okay, so this is the baseline where you want to create your baseline. Okay, for the text. Okay, so 0 point will be fine. And this is character rotation, wherever you want to rotate your character. Okay, so generally we don't need, but it depends upon your brand, your work, your creativity, how you want to play with these options. Here some setting for the, like, if you need all caps, then simply you can click all caps. And if you need first letter like big, and some other like rest of the other are small caps, then you can make it. And if you need superscript and subscript, obviously you can make it. Now we are not seeing any changes. For example, at the same time, now if I click A to superscript and I to subscript, see, you can see the changes. This, so you can see, and this is underline. Okay, and this is stripe like from the middle of the text. So, and font is what kind of font or what kind of language that we are using. It's simple, basic. And snaps to glyphs is a different part. So where if we need to enable a different kind of character, okay, then what we can do is we can bring that glyph in here. So to again bring that glyph panel, so we need to go to the Windows and their type, and we can see glyphs, and then we can get any kind of glyphs whatever we want. And these are the glyph settings, or what kind of glyphs that we want, we can enable from there. Okay, that's all. You need one unique shape, and within that unique shape that you want to type your text, so that you can create your shape that should be outlined shape. Okay, not in a like filled shape. You need to create an outline shape, and then you can select this area type tool and then click here, and now I can get lots of text. Okay, so there is only one side that is round. Why it is align in left side, that is why. Okay, so now for the paragraph panel also, this is already open here. If not, then you can get from the again Windows type and paragraph. See, this is, and we can change our orientation. So I will select this one or this one, anything. I will select this one, or maybe this. Yeah, not this. I will select this one. This is the path type on a path tool. Okay, so why we need is, for example, let's say there is one simple example. So the text is a little bit round, right? So to create this kind of text, we can achieve multiple ways, but in a best possible way is first create a round shape, make it again outline. I will go from this and select this tool, and then click on right of the edge. See, you can the text is following that particular circle. So let's say and heading, and obviously now it is typing here. So there is one small line so that you can change the orientation and rotate, okay, where you want to place your text. So wherever you want, you can place it simply. Okay, this is two different control options for this. Okay, if you have a long text, obviously you can control. Okay, see, you can control it. Okay, see, this is how I can maintain the position. If I need much like extra, then again I can select this type tool, and then I can write. Okay, see, it will follow that particular path. Or at the same time, let's see, I will select again this pen tool, these, anything. Okay, I will outline it. I will press ESC, and I will choose the path tool and select here. See, this is how we can play. Okay, so there is another way and the next way. So if we want to type vertical, sorry, horizontal, yeah, vertical, sorry, vertical, then obviously you can use that type tool, and you can type like you have ever seen a metric movie. Then you can see the metrics, then you can see the like coding is dropping down like this. You can create a effect or background or anything. See, okay, so yeah, this is good, isn't it? So you can play around. So it there are lots of tools that it is your creativity, how you want to play, how you like to play these things. Okay, and this is also vertical type areas, again same, it's just that it will change the direction. So I'm creating an outline, and if I click this tools, it's also a area type tool, then it will change the direction, and it will type on a like, so why should I sorry, I need to click on a path so that we can see the change. See, it now it is typing on a vertical way. Okay, this is the way. And there is another tool, let me keep aside, and again there is another, again I will create outline, and you can see, so this, if I select this, then it will type in a like again on a vertical way, but it will on a come on a center, like one letter after another. See, this is how very simple you can play around. Okay, for example, if you create this kind of, and then if you want to play with this rotation, see, you can play with this rotation also, and you can create a really amazing different kind of vibes. Let me copy. Okay, now it's very simple. So there is like copy and paste. So or simply copy and we control paste. And if we want to place in exact same place, what you can do is simply I will go with copy, and there is a paste in a place. This is the paste in a place. You can use that and decrease the size. See, okay, create this kind of effect. Okay, text effect, text or any kind of artwork that you can create. Okay, with the help of this. Now let's understand this last one. Okay, touch. So what we can do, simply first I will show you some on a heading so that you can get the idea. Let's say we are working for a particular kids brand or anything that is funny or anything that you want to play with, then you can select that tools. So now I am on a type tool. Okay, and if I want to move that specific one letter up or closer to the this, anywhere I can do my free. Okay, I'm completely free from anything, so I can play around. See, this is how we can play with the type tool.